Hi everyone. We quickly want to show you what we think is a must-have for a food forest or just about any vegetable garden. Best part is they grow in dark, so no worries about sunlight and you get to use the shady spots in your garden. It's a win-win. If you guessed mushrooms, you're correct. They're extremely easy if you pick the right variety. We will tell you the variety we are growing in a few seconds. If you have the impression that mushrooms are something very difficult to grow, we are here to burst that myth because there is a mushroom for everyone. We have no deep knowledge of mushrooms and still we were able to grow these. Every time it rains during late spring or summer, we get a flush. We chose the variety wine cap because it is so easy to grow. It just needs some wood chips and that is it. We missed this one as we were on vacation. It is a big one though. We will leave it alone so that it can spread spores, which are mushroom seeds. It costed us $32.38 including shipping to get our mushroom spawn. It is reasonable price for something that keeps coming year after year. All we need to do is to mulch this area once every year with wood chips to keep the fungi fed. It's like having free food growing on your garden floor. Sow it once and then keep harvesting. So free food for years with minimal investment of money and time. If you found value in this video, please do like it and subscribe to help our channel grow.
Thanks for watching.